you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing just a simple but still glam look. If you guys like this look, then just keep on watching.
Why we just say we doing something?
What do you want to say?
What's up, YouTube fans? Welcome to our channel. Before we get started, subscribe, share, and turn notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up.
I'm going to be using the Anastasia Brow Definer in shade Chocolate. You guys see it? What about you, baby? What are you doing?
Doing
Eyeshadow?
my eyebrows. Right here, my eyebrows.
Oh, okay.
Okay, YouTube fans, I'm doing my eyebrows, and they're so cute.
Okay, girl. Do you have anything to share?
What?
Anything you want to talk about?
Oh, yeah.
What do you want to talk about?
I'm talking about YouTube fans. Some YouTubers we did last time.
Did what, mommy?
I want to show the YouTubers where you do your makeup by yourself.
Oh, the YouTubers?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, YouTubers, I just want to say my mom did her makeup last time with her by herself, not with me, and she's done. Go to movie theaters.
To go to movie theaters?
Yep.
Oh, you're the cute mama. We had a little date yesterday, right, baby? Little girls' date. I'm gonna go get we're gonna go do my eyebrows. I'm gonna go get baby Leticia. And then we went, where did we go? Oh, we went to go get those tilocos, huh?
Yeah.
And then we went to
Walmart.
Target.
Target.
We went to Target.
Target.
And then pick up Chinese food, right?
Yep.
Came home and ate.
Food.
It was a nice little girls' date. We needed that.
Hey.
Are you using this one?
Hmm?
Are you using this?
Yeah, wait. Mom, there's one right here.
I know, but I want to use this color, mommy.
Give me that.
I'm just using this little white shade from a Urban Decay palette. It's called, what's it called? Bones. I would show you guys, but Ariel's using the mirror.
You mean your daughter?
Yeah, my baby's using the mirror. You're still adding lipstick? More? How much more could you possibly need?
4. Oh!
We kind of just had a little extra time before we go out, so I'm like, let's do a little video. Since we've been so busy. Literally since the baby has been sick, all he wants to do is be on me. Literally be on top of me. If I put him down for like 5 seconds, he'll start crying, huh?
Yep.
He's been such a crybaby ever since he got sick, so it's been so hard. I can't even shower without someone watching him. I can't do anything. I can't cook. I can't do anything.
YouTube fans, my mom was at my school one little, and I was watching the baby, and he just fell down out the stairs.
What? You're crazy. I'm just gonna go in with this beauty blender and then kind of just blend everything in. working on? Your eyes still? There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
On my whole body.
Huh?
On my whole body.
Your whole body?
Yeah.
What?
Look at.
Oh my god, you're looking like a clown.
No, I'm not.
Show them.
Ma,
Mande.
Mommy,
Mande.
your dog, I'm Rockstar and you're Leticia and your baby sisters were your pistols. And then your daughter's right there.
You're a rock star.
What are we doing, Leticia?
We're gonna do our makeup.
I really like makeup.
You really like makeup?
Yep.
So this whole week, my daughter has been having a double personality, and we've been playing that she's Rockstar. Her name is Rockstar, and she also plays Ariel at the same time, right?
Hey, what's up, YouTube fans?
What's your name?
My name is Rockstar. Mommy, I'm using this.
I kind of just like to go in circles while contouring my face.
Leticia.
Mande.
Leticia.
Mande, baby. I mean Rockstar, sorry.
What do I do with this?
Oh, don't touch that one.
Why?
Because that one's new and you're gonna mess it up.
Can I use this one?
Cuando? Yes, but lightly. You go too crazy.
Oh.
I'm gonna show you guys how she leaves my palettes. Crazy. Show them your face. I don't really like blush, but I guess I'm gonna go in with this rose gold blush from Leech and Gold. I'm not really a blush person or a blush girl. I know I gotta be more consistent on my videos, but like I said, my baby has been sick and he just won't let me be. You guys do not understand how hard it is to have two kids. It's so hard. But we're pushing, trying to do the best we can. Because even though my boyfriend works, he tries to help me out as much as he can. Sorry guys, I'm going in with my favorite highlight, which is Mirror Luminizer. Oh my god, I love this, by the Balm Cosmetics. It's so cute.
Mommy, can I do it?
Do what, baby?
This.
Sure.
Can you help me, Ma? Mommy,
Mande.
can you help me?
Yeah, just give me a second. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Always Sharp Lip Liner in Nude Light. Just twist. It's my first time using it actually. Let me borrow this really fast. I didn't quite like how it looked, so I just put Makeup Forever in the shade 403. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it and thank you for watching.